Let's take a folder of images and make a single PDF with a page for each image. I made a Photoshop script to do it. Images to PDF. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. To run the script, open the Actions panel. I already have an action to run the script. For help adding scripts to Photoshop, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the Actions list, select Images to PDF. Click the Actions panel Play button. The first section is Input. Click the Folder button and navigate to the folder of images. Click OK to select the folder. The path to the folder appears beside the button. Check Include Subfolders, and images in folders inside the selected folder are also included in the output PDF. Otherwise, only images at the top level of the folder are included. The next section is Output. In the drop-down list, select the preset used to output the PDF. Or don't select one, and the script uses default values. The list of presets is compiled by reading the User App Data, Adobe PDF, Settings folder. The list does not include the built-in PDF presets, only presets added by the user. My list has plenty to choose from. If your list is empty, create a PDF preset to use. Close the script and go to the Edit menu. Select Adobe PDF Presets. Choose a preset to use as a starting point, then click the button New. Give it a name and adjust the settings as desired. Click OK, and you have a new PDF preset. Then back at the script, select the preset in the list. The last option is the Output PDF location and file name. This defaults to the name and location of the input folder once the input folder is selected. To change it, click the File button, navigate to the desired location, and enter your preferred name for the output PDF. Once everything is set, click OK, and the script gets to work. When done, open the PDF. There it is, a page for each image. It's that easy. Once a PDF is output, you may want to restrict printing or editing it. In Acrobat, go to the File menu, Properties, and select the tab Security. Change the security method to Password Security. In the dialog window that opens, set the security options and password as desired, which are then enforced once the PDF is saved. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. This script is open source. Edit it however you like. For example, the default PDF output properties when a preset isn't selected. The available choices are well documented. Or add new code and make a script that does even more. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you're notified of future videos. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All my best scripts began with a user request. Let's hear yours. There are many more scripts and videos for them. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.